Hello, Steve here for FurnaceUSA, and if you live in Monroe here in Snohomish County, we can get you a quote for your furnace or water heater or air conditioner today. Getting a quote for HVAC equipment can be a frustrating and time-consuming experience for homeowners. Our goal here at FurnaceUSA is to make it as quick and easy and convenient for you as we possibly can to get a quote for an air conditioner or a furnace or a water heater. So the normal experience that customers go through is they call a whole bunch of contractors into their house. They wait around all day, and various contractors go through their house, look at different things, measure some stuff, write a quote on a piece of paper, hand it to them, and people feel a little bit pressured to buy something. So that is the complete opposite of what we want to accomplish here at FurnaceUSA. So for us, we make it as quick and easy and convenient as we possibly can. So the first way we make it convenient is you can actually look in the description below. You can click the link that says schedule, and you can schedule your own quote for as soon as today. Secondly, you can actually type in a little bit of information about your place. We can use that to build the quote before we even reach out to you. So with that information, we give you a fast and quick quote for your home and make it so it's a great experience for you. So reach out to us today, click the link to schedule a quote now, and we will be in touch. Thank you.